3, and when I'm arguing, my lord, my associate will explain that 184.3 is not the only thing which is regulated by the Supreme Court rules. If your lordship would have the 1980 Supreme Court rules in front of you, there are the different types of jurisdiction which are available to you.
Shall we finish with the Act quickly?
Oh, okay, I'll finish with the Act, my lord. Exercise of original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Any matter invoking exercise of original jurisdiction under Clause 3 of Article 184 of the Constitution shall be first placed before the committee constituted under Section 2 for examination, and if the committee is of the view that a question of public importance with reference to enforcement of any of the fundamental rights conferred by Section 1 of Part 2 of the Constitution is involved, it shall constitute a bench comprising not less than 3 judges of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which may also include the members of the committee for adjudication of the matter. I will simply say on this thing that this is...
Sir, on your right side, but not as much right as previously. Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
Over here. Question, so your associates can note this. This power that Section 3 purports to confer on the committee with regard to examine the question and therefore act as a gateway perhaps, is this a power, or is this a judicial power, or is this an administrative/statutory power? Because 183 is ultimately a judicial power, because then it seems to me that the latter part of this section says it shall constitute a bench. That seems to imply that the power exercised by the committee is not a judicial power but an administrative power. So can Parliament whittle down? This is a question, please note.
Yes, it's judicial, and in fact that will be exactly my proposition.
Please hear his lordship.
Sawal to sun le. Can the Parliament whittle down the judicial power under 184(3)?
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।